Hey, my friends, Mark Cunningham at Grace Property Management. I think the hardest part of property management is maintenance. Things break, tenants get upset, vendors are delayed, trying to communicate with owners, trying to get the vendor back out. Is the part done? Are you done with the job? Did I get your invoice? It's a hard thing. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was some magical solution to streamline the maintenance and the communication process? Well, you may know this already, but there is. Property Meld. Now, Property Meld is not a new company. They've been around a long time. As a matter of fact, they've been around so long, they have facilitated 7 million work orders, over $3 billion in maintenance work done. It's not just a communication and a scheduling tool, although it is that, meaning your tenants communicate with vendors and you get to see the whole thing. You know how like when you order a pizza and you log on and you can see the little clicker like, hey, your pizza's in the oven. Your pizza is out of the oven. Your pizza just had the anchovies put on. It's ready to go. Imagine that for your maintenance process. The vendor's been notified. Vendor's on the way. Job is done. You're waiting for the invoice. It's a scheduling tool that's great for that. Provides you with a ton of what you need, which is control, oversight, and visibility of your maintenance process. Jump on their website, PropertyMeld.com. Get a demo. People use this. I talk to so many property managers that use this, that love it, that couldn't operate their maintenance without it. Jump on the demo, tell them Mark sent you, PropertyMeld.com.